Hey everyone, it's Dylan here, Walnut Ridge Family RV in Newcastle, Indiana. Today's Feature Friday. I did want to invite you out. Tomorrow we're going to have our open house. It's our last day for the show specials. We're going to have food, drinks, stuff like that here, and discounted units from the show. So you got to come out and take a look and see what we have. But we're going to show you this one. This feature today is going to be the 2026 Hideout. This is the 262 BHS. It's going to be 31 feet in length. You're going to be right around 6,100 pounds, so a half-ton towable. SUV towable, stuff like that, and plenty of rooms for the kids, grandkids, all that good stuff. So let's start up front. You have a power tongue jack, 2 LP tanks with a cover. We're going to put a battery on there, and then we're going to fill up the LP tanks. You got the nice new gray look with the aluminum siding. You have the flush aluminum siding now, plus with a little bit of a rugged paint on the exterior to kind of help with paint chips, rock chips, anything like that, and keep that real nice shine as well. You have the solid step entryway now that they've included on this. It folds up into it. You got the nice large grab handle. Obviously you can tell big awning that goes through the whole coach with LED lights underneath it. Pretty typical. Most RVs have those now. But then you have a little nice outside refrigerator here. It is prepped for a grill, so you have a little hookup. It's right up underneath. You can set your grill in there, or you can use that for storage. 4 stabilizers in all 4 corners. You do have a bumper. And then it's also a walkable roof. So you do have a ladder prep, backup camera prep, and don't forget, if you got pups or anything like that, you got an outside shower so you can spray off their feet, or you can spray off your stinky slinky before you put it up. Let's head inside and see what else this thing has. All right, so inside the 262 BHS, you can tell, good size queen bed. You have storage around. Look, it even's got some books. We can make sure those go with you if you'd like to have it. Storage up top. And then you have windows on both sides, so you get that cross breeze effect. Lily, I'm going to have you step this way, and I'm going to show you something right up underneath. When you lift up the bed, you've got totes for storage up underneath there. Aluminum framing all the way around, so Hideout has kind of adjusted some new things on here, put storage everywhere. But the other thing is, you're going to notice this thing is real open. You don't have that island that comes around and intrudes into your space, so lots of room for the kids, for you guys to kind of walk around, plenty of room for prepping station, and you're not walking all over each other. You've got countertops, seamless countertops up top, lots of storage, a stainless sink with a big window to look out so you can see the campsite. Big 12-volt refrigerator back here with a freezer up top, 3-burner stove, and you have an oven and microwave now, not just one or the other. Obviously, you have a booth dinette, a spot to sit down, and or you even have a sleeper there as well, because that folds down into a sleeper. Oh, check this out. You have 2 poster hangers here. These can slide up. They have the exact size on each side, so if you guys wanted to put your own picture in there or anything like that, something that Hideout is doing. Keystone kind of updated whenever they did their whole remodel. In here, you're going to have a whole redesign in there. Full shower surround. You've got a spot to put toilet paper, hang up your towels. You have a medicine cabinet. You have a porcelain toilet in there, as well as storage for everything else that you need inside the bathroom. Otherwise, this unit, ready to rock and roll. You've got bunks for the grandkids or kids. Look at that. Double size, double over, double bunks. You got storage up underneath. Heat, AC, solar prep. Man, I don't know what else you could find in a camper, especially at this price. We've got it down. Check this out. $25,995. Come out and see us. We're happy to help you guys out, get you into a camper. And again, Dylan at Walnut Ridge Family RV in Newcastle. We'll see you then.